subject social and topic name is history first lesson advent of the Europeans. Okay, so in this lesson we are in previous class we are seen about the touch காரர்கள் பற்றி பார்த்தோம். and also Tamil Nadu, what is the what they are given to in Tamil Nadu, what are the position they given, what are the position they had in Tamil Nadu. We have seen today we are going to see about the British. Okay, in Tamil we can say it as an ஆங்கிலேயர்கள். Okay, so the British. Okay, the British on 31st December 1600, Queen of England. Who is the Queen of England? Elizabeth. Okay, Queen Elizabeth. Okay, granted charter to governor and the Company of Merchant of London to trade in East Indies. Okay, so the Queen of England Elizabeth giving permission to the London trader. Okay, what kind of permission she is giving means to start the trade in West Indies. Okay, East Indies. Okay, East India la avanga trade start பண்றதுக்கு governor of London and also according to the particular company she is giving permission to start trade in East India. For that company, the head will be a governor. Okay, there will be one governor will be there, and also courts of 24 directors will be there for that particular company. Okay, so the Captain Hawkins visit Jahangir's court in the year 1608. Okay, so next who is visiting? Captain Hawkins. Okay, visiting Jahangir's court in the year 1608. Okay, so he is asking concession. Concession means some kind of in Tamil we can say this is salugigal kekrar. Okay, for his company, and Captain Hawkins permission. Okay, asking permission to settlement at Surat. Okay, he is asking permission for his company to start at Surat. Okay, Surat la our company start பண்றதுக்கு he is asking permission to Jahangir. Okay, so because of Portuguese pressure, the emperor, who is the emperor? Jahangir cancelled the permission. Okay, so because of the Portuguese oda ரொம்ப தொல்லைனால என்ன பண்றாரு, he is cancelled the permission. Okay, he cancelled the permissions, and also 1612 English captain. Okay, another captain is coming, and the captain name is Thomas Best. Okay, Thomas Best defeated Portuguese. Okay, defeated means தோற்கடிக்கிறாங்க. யாரை தோற்கடிக்கிறாங்க? போர்ச்சுகீஸை தோற்கடிக்கிறாங்க. ஓகேவா, இந்த நாவல் பேட்டில். ஓகேவா, கடற்படையில் எங்கே இருக்கு அந்த கடற்படைனா அட் சூரத், நியர் சூரத். ஓகே, த இங்கிலீஷ் கேப்டன் டிஃபீட்டட் த போர்ச்சுகீஸ் அட் நாவல் பேட்டில் நியர் சூரத். ஓகேவா. Next, Mughal Emperor Jahangir given permission to English people to start the factory at Surat in the year 1613. Okay, so after the battle over Portuguese, okay, again Jahangir, okay, the Mughal Emperor giving permission to English people to start the factory at Surat. Okay, in the year 1613. Next, initial Surat will be the headquarters for the English in West India. Okay, so initially the headquarters will be Surat for them. Okay, next, Captain Nicholas Downton won victory over the Portuguese in the year 1614. Okay, there will be another battle. Okay, in that battle English Captain Nicholas Downton, okay, defeated the Portuguese in the year 1614. Okay, so after that this event, okay, in the event made the British prestige at Mughal court. Okay, this event made the Mughal emperor, okay, made the this event, okay, British prestige. Okay, they are giving very very prestigious over the Mughal empire. இந்த நிகழ்ச்சினால எப்படி ஆயிடுச்சு, பிரிட்டிஷோட புகழ் வந்து ரொம்ப பரவ ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு எங்க முகலோட கோர்ட்ல அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. Okay, next one is in the year 1615, okay, Sir Thomas Roe sent to Jahangir's court by King James I of England. Okay, so England the King James I, okay, he is sending Sir Thomas Roe, okay, to Jahangir's court. Okay, Sir King of James I, he is sending Sir Thomas Roe to Jahangir's court. Okay, so he reminded who the Thomas Roe reminded means he is still in Agra for 3 years. Okay, 3 years he is settled that place, and also after the succeed over the commercial treaty with the emperor, which emperor? The Jahangir's emperor. Okay, he is having some commercial treaty, agreement with the Emperor Jahangir. Okay, but after that, before he departure means before he leave that place, okay, which place, the Mughal Emperor place, he started trading center at Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad and Bhuj. Okay, before leaving that Mughal Emperor place, okay, Jahangir's court, okay, he started the trading center at Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad and Bhuj. Okay, after that, English started first factory on the coastline of the Bay of Bengal at Muslipatinam in the year 1611. Okay, கடற்கரை ஒரு பகுதியில் இருக்கிற அந்த முஸ்லிப்பட்டினம் அப்படின்ற பிளேஸ்ல தான் என்ன பண்றாங்க, இங்கிலீஷ் பீப்புள் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவங்க ஃபேக்டரி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றாங்க in the year 1611. ஓகேவா, so this is the very very important port for kingdom of Golkand. ஓகேவா, for kingdom of Golkand இதான் அது very very important port which is Muslipatinam. Okay, after that, in the year 1639, English merchant, who is the English merchant? Francis Drake. He is taking Madras as a lease, okay, lease from Chennappa Nayaka, the ruler of Chandragiri. Okay, from the Chandragiri ruler, okay, they are taking Madras as a lease. Lease Kelgrama Madras, okay, who the merchant, English merchant Francis Drake. Okay, so after that, East India Company was built famous factory known as Fort St. George. Okay, so the East India Company, they are starting another new company. That famous company name is Fort George. Okay, Fort St. George. Okay, so it is in Madras. Okay, this fort will be in Madras. Okay, this is the first headquarters. Okay, for Eastern India. Okay, which is this is only first headquarters for the East built, and also this fort only first built by British. Okay, இந்த கோட்டை தான் என்ன கோட்டை தெரியும், இந்த கோட்டைனா first யார் build பண்ணிருக்கா, British. Okay, this is the first fort built by British. Which fort? Fort St. George. Okay, student, thank you.